Greetings and namaste. This is Michael Monk, and this is going to be a demonstration on what they're calling atmokinesis, though it's really a form of aerokinesis, but we will go ahead and use the term atmokinesis. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create an orb. I'm going to do orbing. If you're not familiar with orbing, I would refer you to my Path to Mastery page, for it's something that I teach. It's basically Merkaba, or light body travel. You form consciously an orb of light. You put your mind inside of it, and then you can project this orb wherever you wish and travel via the inner eye. What I do to perform atmokinesis is I form an orb, I project it up into a cloud, I be unified with the cloud via my third eye. As I've been telling you guys, I'm one with everything, or able to unify my vibration with anything. I become that cloud via the orb of light, and then I disperse its density. As you know, if you know anything about science or weather, clouds are formed by density of water. So I just become that cloud and disperse its density. Before I go into this, I'd like to say that we're all doing this to some degree, both the orbing and the atmokinesis. Everywhere you look with your bifocal vision, you're forming an orb of light that's slightly outside of this dimensional range of eyesight. That being said, I'm going to commence with the demonstration. It's a lot more rapid for me because my energies are highly developed, as you'll see. There's a wisp of cloud right there. I'll go ahead and make it disappear. And the little wisp to the side of it, I'll go ahead and do those as well. Okay, we've got a pretty dense cloud right there. That might take me a little longer, but I'll go ahead and make that one disappear as well. I'm doing the one to the far right. Okay, now I'll disintegrate the cloud that is slightly up and to the left of it. size, this should be a good one. Okay, we have another cloud over slightly to the right, a little dispersed pattern, but I'll go ahead and clean that up. Okay, let's see if I can find another one. Oh, there's a couple little ones, but they wouldn't match the demonstration that I just performed. I could do this all day, and I probably should, considering the types of comments that I've gotten on my aerokinesis video from asleep people. Now, Jesus suffered a similar thing as he tried to awaken us to the truth of what we are, which is creators, not creatures. We fell asleep on purpose as an experiment in consciousness, a descent into ego consciousness, forgetting who we were so that we could experience certain things. But it's time to wake up. Now, any child knows that they can shape the clouds into shapes. They do this all the time, and when they tell their parents about it, that's nice, honey, that's nice, honey, and we just ignore it. I want to say again, we create our weather. We create our weather. Now, for you skeptics or you people that are just fast asleep and clinging to it and hating those of us that are trying to wake you up, I know that just pisses you off to hear, but it's absolutely true, okay? Our erratic energy patterns, the thoughts we have, our vibrations, this creates the weather around us. My aerokinesis video wasn't enough, maybe. I hope this helped show you that yes, we're in charge of this. Okay, we can start preventing natural disasters, earthquakes. This is energy rising out of the earth, etheric energy that is always rising out of the earth. Any monk knows this. Any Indian guru knows this. Any person that meditates is aware of the energy coming up out of the earth. If you need a little science to help you out, well, the sun shines, right? But the heat isn't really coming from the sun. It's coming from the excitement of the molecules and rising up. Well, this goes all the way down to our core. Okay, so if you want to prevent an earthquake, you ground to Mother Earth, you connect deep, and you release her Kundalini consciously, so it doesn't have to be released in these tight bundles that cause earthquakes. Hurricanes, we don't need them. Why are they caused? Because of our erratic vibrations. You can cancel a hurricane. A group of 5 light workers could have stopped Katrina if they would have known what I now know, and what I'm telling you guys is the truth of reality. And more importantly, if we as a race smooth out our vibrations, we will no longer need the storms, because currently, yes, we do need them. Energy must be released. It must flow. So if you're running a bunch of discordant vibrations, then it has to manifest as storms, because it's got to go somewhere. But A, we can start canceling these natural disasters as they happen, and B, we can stop creating them in the first place. Now, I refer you once again to my course, Avatar Awakening, as I teach the core material, which is expanding your mind past your body. Getting in touch with the energies around you, feeling them as a part of yourself so that you can know, not believe, so you can know that you're one with nature, one with everybody. Expand outward. And this will lead to the Path to Mastery class that I will soon be offering with all of the advanced material. Guys, this is how we form a collective consciousness of one. There is no other way. It will never, ever happen until we as a race, everybody individually, expands their minds and their souls past their body, and eventually we will overlap with each other. And when we do so, and when we have learned enough, we will finally replace physical labor with telekinesis and manifestation. We will become builders with our minds, not our hands. Many societies have come and gone in ancient histories of Earth, other cycles that knew this. They left us clues. We're discovering them. I thank you all for watching this demonstration. Namaste, and God bless you.